Hey guys, it's Dee from Busy with Dee, and I'm going to show you guys how I from scratch wash, detangle, and style Mari's hair in a stretched braid out. So the first step is to clean her hair, so I'm going to go ahead and shampoo it. Now she does not get detangled under the sink. That'll just take too long. Most of the time I don't do that for her, so I'm just going to go ahead and wash it. Look at little Mari. She looks like she's definitely enjoying this wash. Next, I'm just separating her hair. This will make it easier for me so I can clearly see what I'm doing. Then I am going to apply some curl and style milk, and that is to help with the detangling process. Alright, so I detangle in small sections, which is what you see there, and now I'm applying some My L Organics heat protectant, and then I'm just going to go ahead and blow dry her hair on medium setting. Mari is 6. Well, at the time she was 5, so she's still fascinated with how her hair stretches every time I apply heat to it, so that's why she's trying to touch it every time I pass the blow dryer through it. Now that that's done, I'm just going to repeat this same process for the rest of the section. So now that I'm done with that section, I'm going to go back through and put it into small to medium sized plaits. And here I'm having her just hold one section for me because I don't have any clips on hand. Also, if you guys notice the background, if you know where I am, leave a comment down below telling me where you think I am. Here we have the first section done, but I had to go feed baby Kai, so I let my husband take over just for a few minutes. Okay, so Mari is extremely excited. That is because, for one, we're all done, and don't let this video fool you. This took about 2 to 2.5 hours. She has a lot of hair we had to go through and detangle. It just took a long time. But the good news is she did wear her hair like this for about 2 weeks. And we took the braids out the day before her birthday, and I'll show you what that looked like at the end of the video. Alright, thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to comment down below and let me know what you thought of the video. I love to see you guys' comments. When I'm not on YouTube, you can find me on my Instagram. I do a lot of my story vlogging there. It is just _callme_D. So you can definitely catch me there. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I will see you guys next time.